In my countryside in Vietnam, people follow a simple eating routine. At around 6 a.m. we start the day with breakfast, which usually includes rice porridge, noodles, or bread. At 12 p.m. lunch is served with rice, vegetables, meat, or fish, often accompanied by soup or tea. Dinner begins at 6 p.m. and is similar to lunch, featuring rice, vegetables, and a protein dish. After every meal, we enjoy fresh fruits such as bananas and papayas, which bring a sweet and refreshing end to our routine and highlight the special role food plays in our daily life.